Subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes English for English videos, and also subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes Urdu for Urdu videos, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for all the new videos so you will get all the notifications. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hafiz Bilal Ahmed and you are learning Masnoon Duain. Inshallah, in this class we are going to learn dua for safety according to current situation of coronavirus. So you have to read this dua and you have to remember also this dua. Let us start now. I will read first. You have to listen carefully and then repeat after me. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dua for safety. A'udhu. A'udhu. So make sure the first is Hamza here and then Ain. So read both letters separately. A-ru. The first is Hamza, then Ain. A'udhu. A'udhu, and Ain will long also, there is waw madda. A'udhu bi kalimatillahit. Bi kalima, mim will long due to alif madda. Alif is coming after fatha sign, that's why we are longing here. And this name of Allah we read in light sound because before the name of Allah there is a kasra, that's why. So we say again, bi kalimatillahit, ha connect with the ta, hit, bi kalimatillahit tammati. Ta we long due to alif madda and mad sign also there. And after longing, we connect ta with the mim because mim has a shad sign and there will be ghunna. So we say again, bi kalimatillahi tammati. First we long, then we make ghunna. So keep in mind, I repeat again, bi kalimatillahi tammati. The next is min ghadwabihi. Min here is noon sakin, and after the noon sakin the next letter is ghain, which is from the throttle letters. That's why we make izhar here. So we say min ghadwabihi, like the clear sound of noon. Min ghadabihi wa iqabihi wa iqabihi wa sharri wa sharri wa sharri ibadihi وَشَرِّ عِبَادِهِ وَمِنْ هَمَزَاتِ الشَّيَاطِينِ. وَمِن here is noon sakin, and after the noon sakin the next letter is ha. Again we make izhar. Za we long due to alif madda, ta connect with the sheen, and then again ya we long here due to alif madda. Ta we long due to ya madda. Ya has a sukun sign, there is kasra before, that's why. We say again, وَمِنْ هَمَزَاتِ الشَّيَاطِينِ وَمِنْ هَمَزَاتِ الشَّيَاطِينِ وَأَنْ يَحْضُرُونَ. And you will make idgham with ghunna as the noon sakin is coming here, and after the noon sakin the next letter is ya. So we make idgham with ghunna, right? So noon and ya both letters sound will come. So we say وَأَنْ يَحْضُرُونَ. Dwad and Ra we read in heavy sound and Ra we long due to Waw Madda. We say again, وَأَن يَحْضُرُونَ. Now we say all together, أعوذ بكلمات الله التامة من غضبه وعقابه وشر عباده. أعوذ بكلمات الله التامة من غضبه وعقابه وشر عباده ومن همزات الشياطين وأن يحضرون. وشر عباده ومن همزات الشياطين وأن يحضرون. I hope you understand this dua, so keep in mind to remember this dua for safety. And if you like this video, so click on the like button and share with your friends. And if you didn't subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes English and also Online Islamic Classes Urdu for Urdu videos, so please subscribe both channels, and inshallah I will come with a new dua in the next class. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.